Hi everyone, welcome to the Passion for Purple collaboration. This is hosted by MetalScrappinChick, who is Kim. Hi Kim. And there's several of us in the collaboration, and each month the aim is just to make something with purple. Now I'm doing this on my jewelry making channel, but others in the collab might be making anything else, like knitting, crocheting, paper crafting, cards, artsy kind of stuff. I don't know. But I'm making jewelry, and honestly, I apologize to Kim. I really didn't have time to make anything but this pair of earrings this month, but I do have a few other pieces that I've had made, and I'll show those to you. They've been in my business craft fair stuff for a little while. Anyway, so I made these dangly earrings, and these were made using, in part, the Amethyst Orchid strand. It's a Jesse James bead strand, but it's from Softflex. It was $10.49 in March when I bought it, and I still have all these beads left. I did take them off the strand, so the only ones from that strand were these two beads. And then I have two of these. These are from Softflex also, 2021 Spring Summer Pantone. And I just love all the colors in it. And I did use these beads from that, as well as these sort of metallic clear. They're like a lavender with a silver metallic on them. And also the bead caps came out of there. And then the lever backs are from my stash, as are the eye pins and this bead cap style head pin. And I did add two Swarovski crystals, one on each, in purple velvet, a 4mm bicone. So these feel like they're plastic. I don't know what these are called. Miracle beads, maybe? They're sort of glowy on the inside. There were 4 of them in there. I used 2 of them. And so that's what I use to make these earrings. Pretty simple, but they have a nice dangle. They do have a little bit of weight to them. So if you can't wear a little bit heavier I mean, they're not super heavy, but they do have a little bit of weight to them. So if you can't wear super heavy earrings, these would not be the ones for you. Okay, so now let me show you some pieces that I've had made for a while, and they've been in my craft fair items. This is the first one. It's just a strung bracelet. It's I think it's a little bit larger of a bracelet, like maybe 8 to 8 1/4. It's too big on me. Actually, I don't know. It's not super long on me, but it is. I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist, so this would probably fit a 7.5 to an 8-inch wrist. Actually, it's just a strung bracelet, and these are different gemstones and stone spacers. And then this clasp was originally, I think, from Prima Bead, who is now Cousin DIY. I just thought it was an unusual toggle clasp. I think it came in a pack of 2, and they were called something like Saturn or whatever. So that is how it looks, and you can wear that in the front as a focal. So that's one. This next one is done in peyote stitch in like a purple iris with a gold plated toggle. I love peyote stitch. To wear it, it feels real silky smooth. And yeah, so that's that one. I think I need to switch out the clasp, although that's going to be difficult. I do have wire guardians on the end of that, so we'll see. I may have to redo it. This one I think is just a simple cross stitch, but it's real amethyst beads, Swarovski bicones. This is like I said, I think it's a cross stitch weave. Pretty easy to do. I actually like it this way, although I think this is the bottom of it. It shows you the work, but you could wear it either way. This way, and there's our Swarovski crystal, or this way. I'm gonna leave it like that. The next one is right angle weave. It's sort of a wine purple kind of color. And those are also Swarovski crystal and seed beads. It's a 3-row right angle weave and then just embellished down the middle with the Swarovski crystals and with a matching button closure and loop. It's a little bit shorter. This is the longest bracelet. The rest of these I think are like around 7-inch bracelet. The next one is half Tila beads with a little picot fringe done on them. Pretty easy to make. Also feels really nice. Now this one has a magnetic clasp. If I can close it, I'll show you what it looks like on. There we go. Really nice. So this fits a little bit smaller wrist because like I said, I have 6 3/4 and it fits me just fine. I don't really have that on right, but you get the idea. It has to go this way. There we go. There we go. All right. And so that's really nice. I actually had a pink one of these too, and I took it to a craft fair actually a couple years ago and someone stole it. I had both of them there and they stole the pink one. And I actually, it was a young girl, but her father or someone was with her, almost like she was in training to steal, which is really sad. And I saw them walking away and she looked back at me and gave me a look and I just knew it was her because after that I went out and checked and sure enough, that bracelet was gone. And then the last thing I have is a macrame bracelet in like a purpley wine color. I'm not, you see, I don't really care for this that much to be honest with you, but I have it. It was probably one of my first macrame pieces. And these are little, I think they're called fringe drop beads. They're like tiny little drops with the hole going through the skinnier part of the bead. So anyway, that's that one. And that's it for my Passion for Purple collab. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed that, even though the only thing I really got made this month is the earrings. But I have a lot, well, I have some different gemstone beads in purple, so I will be using those in the coming months. And also I have these beads I showed you in the beginning from Soft Flex / Jesse James beads, so I'll be probably using those first. And then I do have some amethyst, I think I have some purple jasper kind of stuff, and what else? Oh, charoite. And there might be some other ones. And then I have some glass beads and glass pearls. So, and crystals. So we'll see what I come up with. We have the rest of the year, right? Thank you, Kim, for hosting. Please be sure to check out everyone else's videos. They'll all be linked down below. And we'll hope to see you next month as well. Again, thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace. Bye.